Graduates are bright, knowledgeable, enthusiastic additions to any team, but their lack of business efficiency and professionalism can be their pitfall. Their work can be overcomplicated, clunky, and unclear for the reader and your client. Writing Dynamics provides the tools and secret systematic format to write clearly and persuasively with efficiency every time. Writing Dynamics can help your team to be writing in all the same professional style, leading to reduced confusion, improved communication, and bettered productivity. Communication is a vital skill to any business's success, and a 2-day course gives your team the capabilities to keep growing your business. Book Writing Dynamics for your graduates now and put your company's future in safe hands.